Hello, welcome to my channel Mr. Facts. Today we will discuss, can quantum computing break blockchain? So let's start. The concept of the blockchain is not only widely recognized by professionals in different spheres but has become a powerful weapon in the political and economic arena. Quantum computers are considered to be one of the main threats to the blockchain. They are assumed to solve any cryptographic algorithms in a few minutes and decode private keys. In this case, blockchain will lose its main advantage, security. Financial Times magazine announced that Google had achieved quantum supremacy, having made a breakthrough in quantum computing. Its quantum computer has performed a complicated calculation in 3 minutes, which could take 10,000 years for the best supercomputer in the world. Possibilities. Quantum computers might be able to fork the blockchain using Grover's algorithm. This way, they create more than half of the new blocks in the network and make a new core. It is impossible to change transaction data in the blockchain, even with the help of quantum computers, since there should be confirmation from other network participants. Is there a real threat? There are no specific technical details about how Google Computer works. It is only known that instead of the 73-qubit Bristlecone, the company used the 53-qubit Sycamore processor this time. Experts claim that to create a threat to encryption, there should be millions of high-quality qubit devices due to the complexity of the algorithms used. According to the London Centre for the Research and Development of Cryptocurrencies Analysis, a quantum computer should contain 1,500 qubits to hack the blockchain. This way, the emergence of such technologies may take many years. So, in the short term, there is no real threat of hacking blockchain by quantum computers. Apart from that, blockchain is far ahead of quantum computers. It means that by the time quantum computers become powerful enough to harm blockchains, security systems will move to quantum-resistant algorithms. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.